PSL Plus's EvedPay card integration helps you save hours of work every week via automated envelope imports, self-onboarding for vendors, easy card issuing, and even a mobile app for allowing control on the go. You'll experience a streamlined expense management experience that provides great flexibility, improved expense tracking, and seamless integration with PSL Plus. To set up the EvedPay card for your production, you'll want to start on the Payments tab of your Eved dashboard and select the EvedPay card sub-tab. On this tab, click on the production you'd like to set up an EvedPay card for. You will be able to track your funding totals here at the top of the screen, including how much has been funded and allocated to your EvedPay cards. Just under your funding totals is the list of all cards being used on the project. And below your cards is where you can track all transactions, envelopes, card history, and statements for your production. To add funding for your production, you'll click the Add Funding button in the top left, enter the amount you want funded, and click Add. Funds can be pushed via ACH, wire, or directly from your production's bank account. Once EvedPay receives your added funding, it will become available within a couple of hours. When your funding is available, next you'll set up the EvedPay card by clicking Add Card. First, select the cardholder for the new card. As an option, you can add a card admin. The admin will be able to view transactions of the card and upload receipts on behalf of the cardholder. Next, you'll add your desired funding to the card. If preferred, you can set up automatic refills for the card here. To automatically sync the card with PSL Plus, you'll add your GL code here. This stops you from having to go into PSL Plus and manually create vendors, as the integration will automatically create a vendor in PSL Plus for this card. After adding your GL code, be sure to check the box next to Sync Card with PSL Plus. Lastly, you can choose whether you would like to send a physical card with the option of sending one now, or you can send it later with a batch. Once you have all details entered, click Add to add the card. Within a minute or two, the card will be processed and the cardholder will receive an email with the card details. The cardholder will be able to use the card right away via the card number and details for online transactions, or they can even add it to their digital wallet on their smartphone to use it for wherever mobile payments are accepted. With the new EvedPay card set up, let's go over how to reconcile transactions, get them in an envelope, and send the envelope to PSL Plus. You can use filters in your transactions list to quickly locate the card transactions that will flow into Eved in real time. You'll check the box next to the transactions you'd like to include in your envelope, and then click Create Envelope. Envelopes can hold as many transactions as you need, and you can easily code all the transactions. Your PSL Plus chart of accounts will be loaded into Eved at the start of your production, so you can quickly pull them up here. To save time, you can copy and paste coding from one transaction to another. Once you've entered all coding, added your descriptions, and uploaded the receipts, you are all set to click Submit to submit the envelope. Eved offers a robust approval engine that allows you to route envelopes for approval based on department, crew member, and a series of other information. Approvers will receive an email letting them know that an expense envelope is waiting their approval. The approver can approve or reject right from the email, but if they'd like to view more details of the envelope, they can click View and then approve or reject from there. After an envelope is fully approved, it can be exported into PSL Plus. You'll check the box next to the envelope or envelopes you'd like to send to PSL Plus and click Push to PSL Plus. You'll see a confirmation message on your screen, and that envelope will be immediately pushed to PSL Plus, saving you redundant data entry between two systems. Now, in PSL Plus, you'll open the vendor entry module to pull up the vendor automatically imported from Eved. You'll see the Eved vendor ID, the name, address, and the P-card advance account number. It also pulls a tax ID, knows it's a P-card, and informs you how the vendor was created. With the vendor verified in PSL Plus, you can open the dedicated third-party P-card import module, Advanced PC View Report. Right-click in the card number field or use a magnifying glass icon in the button bar to select the EvedPay card from the list and click OK. Next, click Start to pull in the new envelopes for the cardholder. Here we can see that envelope has the account numbers, coding, descriptions, and status of the envelope already populated. To begin the export of the envelope, you'll check the checkbox under the Export field, enter a description for the envelope, the state worked, and relevant batch information. Once all is completed, click PC Export and then click Yes. You'll get a PC reference number for the export that you'll want to make note of, as you'll need this number when you preview and post the envelope. With the envelope exported, it's time to pull up that batch in the PC Post module to verify all coding and GL accounts are correct. Be sure to have the report type set to Edit List and click Preview to view the printout of the petty cache edit list to verify all the details are accurate. If all looks good in the preview, you can close out and switch the report type to Posting Register to post the exported envelope. With Posting Register selected, click Preview again to have the option to save the PDF version of the details, and then click Yes to confirm that the register printed correctly. You'll receive a confirmation message that the petty cache items have been posted. Lastly, to verify the posted item is reflected on the general ledger, you'll open the PC Entry module. Use the reference number from before to pull up the envelope in the PC Entry module, and you'll see the status shows as posted with all the relevant details within, completing the Evid and PSL Plus integration cycle.